I am Cody with NickelPlatingPro. I'm going to be doing a demonstration of Electroless nickel plating. I'll take this test piece out. This is what the results will probably look like. Set that over here. Right here I have this copper piece and 15% hydrochloric acid. And I'm going to rinse it off real well in distilled water and go in the bath. Oh wait, you should see that it's copper. It's in a bath at 192 degrees Fahrenheit right here, this probe. This is just an easier way to do nickel plating. It doesn't require a power supply like I have right here. This just works off of a chemical reaction. It requires temperatures to be at between 190 and 195 Fahrenheit. You need to have your parts degreased well, clean the bare metal, degrease them well, rinse with distilled water, and then you want to dip in a 10 to 15% hydrochloric acid like I have right here, and then rinse again in distilled water, and then you can go in your nickel plating bath. It's very simple. All our products are at NickelPlatingPro.com. We have better prices for lower prices for larger quantities also. But all our info is at NickelPlatingPro.com. It's already starting to plate. This form of nickel plating, it doesn't require power supply. It's more corrosion resistant. It gets into small cracks and crevices much better than electroplating. And that's not to say that electroplating is bad. I just find this form is just much better. It's always going to be uniform, no matter what shape you. Usually, whenever you try to plate something with a bunch of sharp edges, or feel like a finned heat sink or something that's copper, you'd have a problem with electroplating it evenly. But with this, you just dip it in, and you're good to go. See? And if I were to polish that better, it would look very similar to chrome. I'm gonna let it go another minute or two. Another thing is you also need to have good circulation, because you want different chemicals to be hitting different parts of the metal, basically. And while it's heating at the bottom, you also don't want concentrated heat in one area of the solution. It's another reason to circulate it. Yeah, if you can boil eggs, you can nickel plate. It's that simple. And just rinse it here. This is where the solution reached up to. Perfect. You can go to our website. We sell it for $60 a gallon, and it's ready to go. It's ready to plate with. No mixing or anything like that. We sell in many different sizes, from 8 ounce, 32 ounce, 64 ounce, 1 gallon, and 5 gallons. That's gonna be it. See you next time.